Hello teacher. I want to ask a question. What is Blockly and why we use it?
Sure, today I will tell you what is Blockly and why we use it. And its applications. Let's start with first question. What is Blockly? Blockly is a visual programming language developed by Google. Instead of writing code in text form, you create programs by dragging and connecting blocks. It's like solving puzzles with code.
That sounds interesting, teacher, but how do these colorful blocks work?
Great question. Each block represents a specific command or function. For example, this is Blockly interface and these are different blocks. To make your computer program, you need to connect the right blocks in the right order. You start with one block, add the next one, and keep going until you've created a set of instructions. There are different blocks like logic-related blocks, different kind of loops like while loop, for each loop, math functions to solve problems. Some blocks related to text, lists, colors. There are also variables and functions in Blockly. On the right hand it will show real text-based coding in 5 different languages.
I'm really excited to get started with Blockly. But does it require some experience?
Not at all. You can start right now and create wonderful projects.
Thank you so much, teacher.
If you want to learn more about coding for kids, go to kiddocoder.com.